The best 4K projectors are still the ultimate way for you to get an immersive theater experience at home. All of the projectors in this guide are capable of beaming a larger image than any regular TVs, with 100-inch being a standard image size when a 4K projector is paired with a projection screen. There are many products available to choose best 4K projector, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 6. Hisense PX3 Pro, the best ultra-short throw 4K projector. The Hisense PX3 Pro follows up on the company's PX2 Pro by boosting the brightness level and adding features such as 4K 120Hz and 1080p 240Hz support for gaming. It also has a sleeker, retro-futuristic design and features the Google TV Smart TV platform for streaming. Picture quality is excellent on the PX3 Pro. With 3000 lumens on tap, there's enough brightness for viewing in well-lit rooms, and when watching in the dark, you may need to lower the laser brightness level of the projector's 3-laser DLP light engine. The PX3 Pro has comprehensive HDR support, with the Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG formats covered. And it also has a built-in 50W Harman Kardon design speaker system that we said can get loud enough to match the size of the pictures in our review. While the PX3 Pro is priced higher than its predecessor, which is still available, the design, features, and performance upgrades make it worth the extra expense. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or sports, the PX3 Pro will provide a great big screen experience. Number 5. BenQ GP520, an affordable, compact 4K projector. The BenQ GP520 is one of the most affordable 4K projectors around, and with a specified 2600 lumens of brightness, it punches well above its price point. Its LED light source produces a sharp and crisp picture, and HD color reproduction is modest rather than dazzling, and blacks that could be deeper, but for straightforward movie nights or casual TV sessions, it delivers a solid and surprisingly bright image for the money. Design-wise, the GP520 keeps things simple with a compact, boxy look that's easy to move from room to room. It's not the sleekest projector around, but as an all-in-one theater system, it's practical and portable too. Built-in streaming is handled by Google TV, giving you access to apps like Netflix and Disney Plus right out of the box, though the interface can lag at times. A pair of HDMI 2.1 ports is on hand for hooking up external gear, alongside USB-C with device charging, DisplayPort, and additional USB-A ports, making it surprisingly well connected for a budget model. If you're not ready to invest in a soundbar or external system, they'll still get the job done. Number 4. Samsung, the Premier 9, best 4K projector for sound. Samsung's first, the Premier, earlier held the slot as the best 4K projector for sound in this guide, but its new next-gen, the Premier 9, bumped it by delivering better brightness, a more polished design, and, yes, better sound, with the addition of Samsung's Object Tracking Sound AI-enhanced audio processing. Like the earlier model, the Premier 9 is a 4K ultra-short throw projector that uses a triple laser light engine. This one's spec'd for an impressive 3450 ISO lumens light output. Our testing found the Premier 9 to have bright, punchy pictures with excellent out-of-box accuracy. Along with its great picture and sound quality, Samsung's the Premier 9 uses the company's Tizen Smart TV system for streaming and supports both Amazon Alexa and Samsung's Bixby voice commands. And while it's not the greatest option for gaming with a 60 Hz refresh rate and just average 53M input lag, we still enjoyed gaming with it and also appreciated Samsung's built-in gaming hub with cloud-based gaming apps from Xbox, Nvidia, GeForce Now, Amazon Luna, and others. Number 3. JVC DLA NZ800, best premium 4K projector. JVC's DLA NZ8 long-reigned as the best premium model in this guide, but the company's new DLA NZ800 takes everything great about the NZ800, kicks it up a notch. Like its predecessor, the NZ800 is a native 4K projector that uses a 3-chip DLA imaging device and a BLU eScent laser light source, but the new model features a redesigned DILA chipset that delivers even deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and improved picture uniformity. The NZ800's 8K/eShift-X upscaling boosts 4K pictures to 8K resolution, and it can accept native 8K signals. But what's most impressive about this projector is its handling of high dynamic range formats, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG supported. When it comes to HDR handling, which is carried out using powerful auto-tone mapping along with a frame-adapt HDR feature that works dynamically in real time. Number 2. Epson Home Cinema 3800, best 4K projector for home theater. If you're in the market for the best home theater projector, consider the Epson Home Cinema 3800. This model is laser-focused on delivering exceptional image quality while keeping features to a minimum. It boasts impressive brightness, making it suitable even for moderately lit rooms. However, its true strength shines in darker environments due to its excellent contrast ratio. Out of the box, this model offers remarkable accuracy. And for perfectionists, its extensive calibration options allow for further fine-tuning. While its color gamut is decent, it doesn't quite match the projector's stellar performance in brightness and contrast, especially in HDR content. Still, it's vibrant enough to satisfy most viewers. As for features, the projector doesn't have integrated Wi-Fi or a built-in smart OS. Although it does have Bluetooth support, the projector does include a 2A USB port, primarily for powering dongles. The unit's 2 HDMI ports allow seamless connection to external devices, with both ports capable of handling a 4K at 60 Hz signal, and the 12V trigger out port facilitates automated projector screen deployment. Number 1. BenQ X3100i, best 4K projector overall. If you're looking for the best overall projector, get the BenQ X3100i. This projector comes with a ton of features, delivering advanced home theater features while catering to gaming enthusiasts and content streamers. With the help of pixel-shifting technology, it projects a crisp image that shines in various lighting conditions. It's bright enough to look great in moderately lit rooms, and its good contrast and wide color gamut provide a pleasant viewing experience in dark rooms. It's also very accurate out of the box. Even color accuracy perfectionists will be mostly satisfied with this unit's performance without needing to calibrate the projector. HDR10 plus HDR10 and HLG compatibility add another layer of versatility, making it a truly adaptable product. The included Android TV 11 QS2 dongle supports Google Cast and Apple AirPlay, making it fully cast-capable, and offers Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 support. The projector is fantastic for gamers with 2 HDMI 2B ports capable of accepting 4K at 60 Hz, 1440p at 120 Hz signals. The third HDMI port, hidden behind the top cover, is designed for use with the bundled dongle but can also be used with any HDMI device. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.